If you want to use circle to search on Realme GT 7T, the first thing that we can do is check if circle to search is enabled in the settings. So we want to go to settings, scroll all the way down, choose system and update I mean, go to system navigation, and then over here at the bottom of these settings you should be able to find circle to search, whether you are using buttons or gestures. Here it is, so make sure that it is enabled. Now, if you use buttons for navigation, you want to press and hold your finger on the home button like this. On the other hand, if you use gestures for navigation, then you need to press and hold your finger on the navigation bar like so. So when circle to search is activated, it looks like this. Now, over here, in this case, what you can do now is simply draw a circle around the thing, the object, subject, whatever, that you want to search for on Google. So let's say if I select this area over here, then I can get the search results here. We can also go through products, visual matches, sorry, and so on and so forth. Besides that, let me actually open the Google app. Besides that, what you can also do is, if you activate circle to search, you can just simply tap on the subject. So for example, if I have this image over here, instead of drawing a shape around it, I can just tap on the photo in order to try to get the results. If it's selected incorrectly, we can still grab by these corners that are selected with white lines in order to extend, or in general, change the selected area to resize it. And once again, of course, we have results in Google. But that is not everything that we have with circle to search, because if we activate it, we also have the search bar. We can also search with the microphone, so you can tap on the microphone, say something out loud, and then you can search for your results in Google. Right next to it, we have this song recognition feature. So if you tap over here, if there is a song playing in the background somewhere, you might get search results. So if you don't know the song title that you perhaps like, you can use this feature in order to try to get search results. Right now, there is no song playing in the background, so I cannot really show you. But generally speaking, you will get Google results just like you do with images and so on and so forth. So you can play, sing, or hum a song. Now, last but not least, you can also activate the translator, which translates the screen. So if you select this option, we have the automatic language detection. If it's incorrect, then of course you can tap over here in order to change the language, and then you can choose the target language. And as you can see, the screen is translated. We cannot really scroll or anything, but if there is some part of, I don't know, like website, or there is a phrase that is written in a foreign language or something, then you can translate it pretty quickly with this feature. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.